Are you still learning Selenium and not able to figure out why you are not getting the jobs? What if I tell you that right now there are more than 2,500 playwright openings in India itself, and companies like Deloitte, Capgemini, Luxoft, and Vision Technology are actively hiring playwright automation engineers. And the best part is at the end of the video, I'll also invite you to a free live webinar where I'll show you exactly how to learn Playwright, TypeScript, and Agentic AI to become job ready in 2026. Hello everyone. So welcome back to RD Automation Learning. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the research that I have done based on the multiple job portals that are available in India, including LinkedIn, Naukri.com, Indeed, Capgemini, and you have so many companies. Capgemini is there, Deloitte is there, Intenshala. So many of the job portals are there, and what was the goal? What was the agenda behind this research? The agenda behind this research was very simple, that I have to tell you about the real demand for the playwright automation testing jobs in India, right? And the results were honestly very exciting, right? So let me show you the results one by one, what all data that we have got. So I'm not telling you anything haphazard. If you want, you can also check out the data. Naukri.com portals is there. You have Intentshala. All these portals are available with you. Okay. So let's start from the bottom. So if you can see on Naukri.com, so it is currently listing 2,748 playwright vacancies, and that too just in month of June 2026. So it has been very, very active. And if you will see, the playwright focused jobs are more in India. Now, it is not just that the playwright is restricting itself to just a skill set, but now people have started using playwright to integrate it with the AI as well, right? Because Playwright is a Microsoft backed tool, and with respect to TypeScript, if you see the language, that is also a Microsoft language. It is superset of JavaScript. It is easy to learn TypeScript compared to JavaScript and other programming languages. Of course, see, practice is required, but that doesn't mean it is a rocket science. So it is easy. So playwright roles, they are. We also did an analysis on the salaries. So playwright roles are paying 5 to 15% more than equivalent Selenium roles, and engineers, if you have both the skills, that is more good. So Selenium with Playwright would help you a lot in today's technology, in today's market. All right. So the data that I'm showing to you about 2748 Playwright vacancies and about the salaries comparison. So this data has been taken from LinkedIn, Naukri, Indeed, because these are the top three portals that you will see. And apart from that, Internshala is there, BB is there. So everything is cross-checked across the publicly accessible pages, right? Don't think I have done all this thing manually. Again, using AI only, I was able to get the data. Okay, now you might be wondering, how can I apply to these jobs? So you can definitely apply to these jobs. You can get an offer letter also if you know Playwright, right? So recently we saw that there are multiple companies which are hiring for a playwright, and it is not that if you learn Selenium, so you are out of the market. No, but just Selenium is not going to help you. Just CI/CD is not going to help you. These days, you have to be active with respect to the playwright as the texting automation technologies, tools, and tech stacks related to the agentic AI. See, if you are giving an interview, maybe tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow, this week, next week, you just remember my statement. If you can tell to the interviewer what was the problem statement in your organization, how did you resolve it using AI? How did you use AI to map the problem and to come up with a solution to overcome your challenge? That itself will guarantee you the offer letter, right? Because there is so much of noise around AI, but nobody is able to understand how to use it actively, right? And that purpose, what we are doing is we are going to keep a free live webinar, right? It's a free live webinar. Now, when I say free, so don't take it for granted. You attend the session, definitely you will see very, very important things. You will come to know about the information that you haven't been known outside, right? You might be doing some of the studies, you might be searching on Google, you might be connecting with your friends in your network. Somebody might be telling you some other XYZ things, But if you connect with somebody who is an industry professional with 15 plus years of experience and who can craft, who can help you to get a job, then this webinar is for you. If you are looking for a job opportunity in next 1 month, 2 months, in a span of 3 months, do apply, register for this webinar, do attend this webinar. There is a specific reason why we are keeping it for Saturday, because we want people to attend it attentively. Because I can know Monday to Friday it is very hectic for the experienced people, for the freshers as well. They have to go for the lot of job openings, and you might get some calls. You might be into a preparation mode. You might be working something. You might be in a sprint. But on Saturday, you can definitely take out time for yourself, right? So this is a free webinar. Okay. And at the end of the webinar, we are also going to share with you the bonus resources, the free resources. Okay. I'm going to tell you the things for the free. This webinar is of no cost. But at the end of the webinar also, you will be getting a lot of bonus resources that you can utilize for the interview preparation. No charges for those, nothing to be paid, right? So all of these things are for you, since I want people to start getting the jobs. There are so many people who are connecting with us on the TalkMate, and they are telling they are not getting the calls, they are not getting any jobs, they are not able to know what to learn, they are not having any idea of roadmap, they are not able to figure out what tech stack is important in the market today. So all this information would be given into this particular webinar, which is going to happen on 13th of June, that is Saturday, 11 a.m. IST, right? It will be 11 a.m. IST. And we are not going to record this session because I want people to attend live. See, if this needs to be recorded, then I could have uploaded a video on YouTube itself. But since you people would be giving me some time, so it is my responsibility that that should be a separate topic altogether for all of you, right? So we are going to assist you and we are going to tell you how QA engineers are using agentic AI plus Playwright to get better jobs in 2026, right? So these are the details that we are going to share. Now, coming back to the information that we were discussing. So nearly 2,700 plus jobs are there across India, which are related to Playwright only. And currently, Deloitte is hiring for one of the playwright talent. So they are having most of the openings ranging from consultant, senior consultant, assistant manager, manager. And the locations include Bangalore and Chennai, right? Capgemini is also hiring, right? The openings are available again in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune. And the good news is the opportunities are available for 2 to 5 years of experience, senior automation engineers, test architects. So variety of experience based people can apply for these roles, right? So start applying for these jobs. And if you learn Playwright, definitely you will be getting paid more, around 5 to 15% more than the equivalent Selenium based roles. Because engineers who know about Playwright, engineers who know about TypeScript, engineers who know about agentic AI, they are in demand. Companies are hiring them because the time of automating the things, the time to convert the test cases to scripts, the time to convert scripts to the actual production kind of environments, the time to simulate the things, the time to automate the use cases is reducing when you are going for Playwright, right? So if you are somebody who is looking for a job in 2026, you should definitely focus on Playwright. You should focus on API automation, UI automation, mobile automation. You should focus on TypeScript. You should focus on agentic AI for testing. You should focus on LLMs for testing, right? These are the things that you should focus on, right? So do attend this webinar. If your goal is to become an automation engineer in 2026, the webinar will give you a clear roadmap, right? So seats are limited, so register early today itself, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.